With WooCommerce cost of goods, you can easily track the profit and revenue of your products and variations. However, it can be really difficult when you install it for the first time, and you have to edit thousands of products to add the cost of goods, as it will take you many hours to open and edit each product with its variations. That's why we want to show you the easiest way to bulk edit the cost of goods field for hundreds of products with a few clicks, without having to open and edit the products one by one. For this we'll use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to bulk edit products using an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. To edit the cost of goods individually in the spreadsheet, just go to the column called COG cost, which stands for the cost of goods field, and enter the cost of each product. Once you're done, save the changes. This option is very useful if you need to add a different cost to each product, or for products that don't share any parameters to be filtered and edited in bulk. Let's now learn to search for products based on the cost of goods. To do this, open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then, select the cost of goods field. Choose the operator greater than or equal to, and enter the cost of goods that you're looking for. For this example, we'll enter $20. Finally, run the search to filter the products. To edit the cost of hundreds of products in seconds, you'll need to use the bulk edit tool. Select to edit the rows from the current search. Choose the cost of goods field. Select set value. Now enter the new cost amount. We'll enter $25. Finally, execute. And the selected products will have a new value in the cost of goods field. As you see, filtering by cost of goods and editing hundreds or even thousands of products is really easy using the spreadsheet provided by the WP Sheet Editor plugin. And the best part is that your server won't have any problems because the plugin applies the changes in batches to give your server some rest. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.